repeat on my fucking app?
Whoa.
Okay, never mind. Okay.
But it sounds familiar.
Yeah. It sounds like that one AI song, bro. That one.
It does.
It's epic musical.
Oh, it's music. Epic the musical. Oh my god. I forgot about that.
I'm just up.
Guys.
What's up, YouTube? And today's in today's video, we're gonna like tour around on my server with a couple of my friends. And okay, let me just.
Oh yeah. Do you wanna see Debbie's house?
Yeah.
I have the cord.
Yeah, let me see.
Penelope.
It's like near what is it called? It's
Send-
like near
Send me, bros.
my never mind, it's near the fucking
Near your ass?
Mars.
Mars house?
Yes.
What do you mean? Let me see.
Yes.
Send me now. Send me the coordinates.
Let's go to Mars space. Oh shit.
What Mars base?
Go to yeah.
Ian, I don't know Mars base, man.
The stone one, the one you gave. The stone one.
Oh, the stone one.
Huh?
Yeah, isn't that
Wait,
Mars
wait,
space
wait.
because you gave it to him?
What? This
Oh,
is
yeah.
pink. This is pink. Pink. The heck is pink?
Oh my god.
Or knockout. No.
Penelope.
This is magenta. Then what is purple? What is purple? The hell?
Hold on, I need XP for my base. I wanna go home now. Let me go home. Hey, let me go home. Let me stick bars on you, man.
Think fast, chocolate.
Jagamanat.
Chocolate. Right now.
Jeez.
Alright.
What am I doing wrong?
Quiet paper. Bird paper. Okay, Gabby, where are you?
Near your base, man.
I didn't think. This is.
Near your
Oh my god, I
base?
just.
I mean, near your base, man.
Near my base?
Yeah.
The nether? Just go to your original base that you gave to Marcus.
Oh, okay.
That's the server. That's episode, yeah. Also blocks.
Also, that's my mistake. Oh no. Okay, oh no.
Okay, near Mars base.
Yeah, the one you gave them. Okay.
Ah.
I'm here. Okay, just follow me. It's 1,000 meters that way.
Damn, okay. Wait, what? Okay.
1,000 meters that way.
Okay, guys. So this is gonna be a tour for the server. I mean, for my server. Right now, recording.
Ah, okay. If you want, we could just fly.
Oh yeah, I forgot. We can just fly. Fly, my birdie.
Motherfucker.
Okay,
I like to love ticket and going down.
I need grass.
Gabby, follow me. Follow me.
What is it?
Actually, this is... Are you using...
what?
How do you? Who?
It's fasted. There should be an outpost. I think.
I'm just a man who's trying to go home.
And here we are.
Oh my god, it's pink.
I think it's not finished.
It's time to rain.
The fucking
By the way, Gabby, this song will be like the last part of my Dark Fear the thing.
Yep.
What the hell?
Yay.
Door.
Wait, Gabby,
Yeah?
But wait, Gabby, Tabby is not your account? I thought it was your account.
Huh?
Tabby is not your account or something?
No, bro, it's not. Dude, I got confused. Who's Tabby, bro? And
Bro, I thought, bro, because it's Tabby, Gabby, you know, like,
no,
Tabby, Gabby, you know.
dude, I'm being
Happy, that's what you thought.
I'm being serious, man.
Bro, his name is Tabby, and Gabby's name is Gabby, you know, Tabby, Gabby, you know, the 6'7", you know.
Yep, assuming it's not good for all of us. That's nice. Oh, the hell is this?
I'm just someone.
Fungi! I thought it was a sapling.
I love you. Yay, I can teleport to my base now. Okay. Always try to do.
Bros are so much.
Magenta, I need a magenta.
Okay. Okay, guys. As you can see, this is Tabby's house, still unfinished. And let's go to my original house. Hold on. Yes, this.
I is not finished.
As you can see, ooh. Why is bro have that? Why is bros have that? You know what? I'm taking the phantom membrane. Yep. You slide off.
Where are you going?
I'm just taking what's mine. I'm just taking
Where?
the rail stones. No, I don't need it. Humilitas 600 men.
Hello.
Ano ma?
Ay, nagdagay ka ng tubig mo?
Oo.
Dinalanting ko sa'yo.
Okay. Lalo ka ma?
Oo.
Okay, guys.
No man. Yet.
Okay. So, as you can see, there's one pyramid and two pyramid, and that's my dad's house. And this is my base, my real base. Yep, my real base. And Leah's base over there, diamond pyramid that I built. Like I forgot to record it, so my bad. So we're gonna explore. I select something. Hold on. Let me just put this somewhere. Is there anyone have lava?
There's a lava pool.
Where?
Okay, let me change. I can change my maps. Okay, I might have to go to the overworld first.
Ba't pakisaksak mo lang?
Yeah, do you know a location of the lava pool?
Lava pool?
Yeah.
Well, I see a lot of lava pools, so yep.
Then
Maybe
mark
here.
one and show it to Gabby.
I mean, just like the nearest our base, near our base.
There's a lot.
Like 30 to 60. Like 32.
I think.
My voice, I thought I saw your face today.
Ah, fuck.
Woo!
I just turned my head away.
Ouch.
I can tell that you're gay.
Yo.
Bruh.
Yeah.
There we go.
Bro, like you can
Just mark it.
just mark it the waypoint.
Your map.
Ah! Fine.
Okay.
Mark it.
Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna check every house. Just help inspector. Oh my god. What is this tunnel?
Wrong.
There we go. Damn it.
Okay.
It's Nick.
Yo, stop.
Bro.
What?
Megatron.
You
You know,
know,
there's Crimson Chin and then the negative one.
well, you know, you two, I'm recording right now.
Kapag siya makababon.
Yeah, mama.
Yeah,
Adam.
yeah, I know.
Bon.
I don't
Tama.
Megatron.
Amo.
Yeah.
I don't think Leah knows. So yeah.
I know. I don't. No what?
You just said the fucking N word.
I said Megatron. That's me. That's
It
complete.
sounds like me.
Snake. Bruh. You know what? Let's go. I'm just gonna fight in the terracotta.
Terracotta. Terracotta na say. Terracotta. Okay. You know what? It's time. It's time to XP because
Bing bam bam bling bam bam bling bam bam bam. Ay. Bro, I want another episode of. I want another season of Mashley. Please.
What are you, huh?
hey Mars. Pian. Pian.
Yeah.
Mars has a structure block. Mars has a.
Yeah, Mars has structure block, yeah.
Dali.
I'm confused.
There
What?
we go.
I mean, why is Mars have
How
a?
did he get it? He got it from you?
Oh,
What is he going to do with it? I
oh,
don't fucking know.
I completely forgot. My bad.
But wait, Gabby's recording right now?
Yeah.
Yep. Not streaming.
Oh, I thought he's on live. Okay.
Not streaming, just recording, yeah.
I mean, I can edit it.
Also cut that out. Cut that out.
Yeah.
Cut what I said.
Woo!
I don't care.
Cactus. Nice.
If I kill the orb, what is? Never mind.
A kill.
If I killed a dad and that dad is
What?
I'm just contemplating on killing a an adult Hoglin or the baby one.
Kill the baby one.
Bro, the baby's useless. Just kill the adult one.
Bro, the baby is annoying. You punch it, it's slow, it will run away, it heals, come back, punch you again.
Brother, B, he's just messy. He's just a kid after all. Kids are annoying. Everyone knows that.
Beat that
If I
kid.
have if I have Thorn's armor, he will literally do that forever and ever and ever and ever.
Until he dies, that's good.
Yeah.
What?
I mean, he will never die. He will heal.
Just kill the kid.
He will never come. That's what I thought. Kill the kid. Never mind, I'm gonna kill this Enderman.
Bruh.
Yes.
Ah, left the recorder.
Bye. What the fuck? I don't know why it's 10 times funnier when Leah does it. What?
Okay, nothing.
No, it's just got it. To die. Yes, to die.
What?
No. Did you die?
Where did I
No, I
die?
did not die. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Don't worry, I'm not gonna die yet. Don't
Anyway,
worry.
can you come here and give me an opinion?
Who?
On Will,
Who?
Yeah, Flor.
your friend is literally why you what you know what?
Just come over here, give me an opinion. Because why not?
That is literally why you like but
My what?
your friend is literally why you bro, professional builder over there, just ask him.
No, come here. You're my husband. He's not my husband. Come here.
Hey, okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
I mean, is that guy kinda, you know, zesty?
What light for purple?
Can I just go for it?
What?
Nothing.
You know what, I'm bored. I'm gonna do this.
I wanna jump off. I did. What the heck? I thought I saw pictures here. Above. Above. The floor.
Above, something
Exactly.
I got nothing to do, so I'm gonna do this. Oblivious.
Shulker, really?
I have like that. You know what? Here.
You Shulker.
I'll let you
Dami
say
ang sabi ah.
Master, excuse me, Master Bobby.
First thing cyborg.
Hindi ko gagawin. Afford.
Why does the middle look like a damn cushion? Looks like a cushion.
Wait, I have an idea.
Uh-huh.
Wait. Let me just let me
Let me tell you something.
Let me tell you something. Yellow.
Huh?
I am here. Bye-bye.
Oh my god, this could be an escape route. That's good.
Yeah.
This is why I come to you. Anyway.
Here's the club.
Or maybe I'm too lazy.
Meron lang pala ng ganyan. Inalam na masarap sana.
Eat well.
Sa ano eh.
Sarang. What?
Ayoko din sa binibilihan mo.
Yeah.
Ito na lang sa store. Ako binibilihan.
No! Watch me do something oblivious.
Wait.
para makapalapit sa pagdalas ng o sa bando. Price check or eyes check? Go to EO check. Namutunak mo ng konti. Pwede nyo rin gawin na intern. Kaya nga po yung ginawa niyo pakwan. Pwede niyo ba akong turuan? Gusto ko pong matuto.
Ay, natay. May ano, virus na yung sabi pa. Sabi, ano, mag-ingat kayo,
No.
mag-ingat kayo.
No. No,
Dapat nakamas mo sila dun. Pag ano ng China, meron na namang bago.
Ikaw ang may kailangan nito, hindi ako. May 24 oras kang marisarang. Kailangan ako nito. Ay, baby.
Hindi pa kayo nakakapag-empake.
Sige, naasikaso pa ako rito. Uunahin ko lang kayong umalis ng Lolo George mo. Uuwi ako ng isang araw. Isang araw lang.
Sige na nga. May mga kabayo po ba talaga ron?
Pag makikita mo sila, mapapagkabayan ng mama.
Nakakatuwa.
Nakahanda na ba kayo?
Meron pa po akong i-empake.
Sige na.
Bye.
Oh my god, I'm lagging for some reason.
Salamat pinasama mo si naman sa akin. Tagal kong nawala, parang hindi ko na siya kilala. Ayos lang yun. Nawalan ako ng asawa, siya na.
Talaga?
Kung ang biyaheng ito ang makakatulong para matanggap
Ano
na
ba?
ang nangyari.
Naglamig-lamig ka.
Exercise.
Oo naman at maayos lang na. Mauna kami
Wala ka, medyas, oh.
Susunod ka pagkatapos ng isang araw. Magkakaroon ng pagkakataon ng lolong ito na mas makasama ng matagal na ako niya. Alat,
I'm just doing some extra research for Totoy.
Who's calling me? AFK? Yeah?
kakausapin ang abogado si Consinillo para makalabas siya agad. Baka si Ponggay makatulong sa atin. Ano ba si Ponggay? Hindi ko naman nakita bumukot eh. Hindi ko rin napapansin eh. Pero siguro, Rota, huwag na natin idaan kay Ponggay kasi baka siya rin maipit. Natatakot na yung mga girero dahil iniiwan na sila ng kanilang mga kakapunin. Pag mawala sa ilang mga kapit, mas magiging desperado yung mga yun. Wala pa lang, palaban na tayo. Bukas, water cannon. Dito akas. Oh,
Ayun mo, anak yung...
sa kayo dito.
Ay, nakalimutan ko. May daga. Sa kanina.
Naman yung mga
Diyos ko. Hindi naman ang resulta. Sa wakas, mag-uusap na rin si Tanggol at saka si Sertino. Naniniwala ako na magkakaayos din yung magkapatid na yun. Sa panimulayan, ang plano niyang ayusin ang buong Maynila. Dapat sa pamilya na pala. Ayusin niya lang. Pinakausap na akong abogado na tutulong para makalaya ka agad sa konsyada. Pero eto, tingnan niyo.
Then, first, maybe I will start for the time.
Tado, sa mga pang-abit ko mga kaibigan na andito po tayo sa
Medyas ka
Isaiah.
na.
Commissioner,
Then,
Commissioner,
take
ito
the
po
pen.
kumenta nga sa buhay nyo.
Pinagtangkaan ako ni Miguelito Guerrero. Nalaman niya kasi na may resulta ng recount. Sinubukan niya akong suhulan. Nung hindi ako pumayag, doon niya pinagtangkaan ang buhay ko. Hindi niya kasi matanggap na lumabas ang katotohanan na si Tanggol ang nanalo sa recount. Si
Ha?
Tanggol Montenegro ang
Ano
binotong
yan?
mayor ng Maynila.
Ginawa mo?
Siya rin po ang nagsigtas sa buhay ko. Kung may hindi dahil sa kanya,
May labas na ba? Akala niyo.
patay na ako ngayon.
Oh, shit.
Kailan po natin ang ruling para mapapabasa
Pero tibay, oh.
ng pwesto ang mga
Tibay yan.
tirero.
Tibay.
Si Tanggol. Kaya na naman yung buhay niya.
Dang, 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 dang,
Siya
dang,
mapupuno
dang.
ng Maynila. Kailan kailangan niya.
Kung wala daw ang
Ay,
napatay na si Commissioner, baka nabaon na ang katotohanan.
Bagay. Marami na talaga yung mga pulis. Hindi ka ng tulong. Tulungan ka. Doble ingat na lang.
Basta ang mahalaga nito si Tanggol.
yup, nice.
Naligtas niya rin ang katotohanan.
Now, it's time for the...
Ngayon, ang buong pamangyayahan si Tanggol. Manalo sa Maynila. Si Tanggol.
Ano ba yung minute man? Ah,
Bago ka dalawang bako ininom mo?
bye.
Tanggol si Tanggol.
Masama yun ah.
Pero ito ang gusto ko ilinaw sa
Ha?
Walang gagawin.
Bago ka masama yun? Bago. Dalawang malaking baso oh.
Puta, oh, na.
Dapat nga kada isang oras hanggang isang baso lang eh.
Tutugisin natin si
That's
Tanggol.
interesting like a book.
At ang mga
Masama
kasama
yun,
niya.
baka mamaya. Yung bang kaya namin na oras yan, mataas ang sugar o ano. Huwag na ubod nila Norma.
Yeah, I think level 20 is fine. Okay. Hello. 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 Motherfucker. Motherfucker. Hello.
Yes.
Ah,
What?
compisi.
What do you need? What do you need? Yep. What do you need? What? Ay! Thank you! I love you, ating mama. I love you.
Ano daw?
Baka no ulamin. Ha? Baka no ulamin. Di ba sikat na dyan? Ikapay niya ko sa...
You're that red? Damn.
Ay, sige na po, sport. Hindi ko naman nakakalit. Pang. Hindi ko sinama. Wala, parang sunog ah. Parang sunog. Parang sunog. Yan. Wala ka. Ba't nagkakalit na naman ka? Ha? Pangyayabi. Sabak siya. God, inordinate sound. Mahal yun. Walang libo kami eh. Walang libo kami. Sa pusuan pa yun. Ako sunog.
Bye-bye.
Are you kidding me? Gabi ko sa kabila.
You know what? It's time to make a free house. I'm gonna make a free house.
Just to make a trio.
The easy way or the hard way?
Sarap. Meron sa bansa ano? Ano? Yung isda.
Okay.
Ito to binili.
This is gonna be the platform.
Hindi naman gusto tapos nararamdaman ko na ako kumakain na. Kaya sabi niya, dalhin mo na lang doon sa kapatid mo. Mama. Ano nga niya, nung nagkasakit ka, nilalagay dito ng ano, sungke, tapos niya mama. Dalawa mo ko na ano? Pongkat. Yung ano, parang orange, pero pinong malaki. Ay? Balo na, dito ganito si mama. Si mama, break bang siya?
Yan. Pian, what are you doing? Pian, what are you doing to my base?
It's AFK. Aventa.
Yeah, I know, but what are he, what? Ano ginawa niya sa base? What is he doing? Ganyan kasi malamig.
Ano sabi niya nila?
Hindi ka nagre-re. Ha? Oh.
Madam, door, you child. I got.
This is the axolotl. Axolotl. Axolele. Axolele.
Parang ka
Axolele.
naman. Ba't ka dito na sa ano ko? Mami daw. Yosi!
Let's see the
Call
light.
the doctor. Call the doctor. Call the doctor.
Dr. Lele. Ah, la 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 la. Do 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 do.
Ha? Ha? Kay mama yan?
I'm gonna make a railway too, my boys. How you like me now?
The damn trapdoor, scammy!
Yeah. Don't worry, I have more. I have more.
Oh my god. Oh yeah, that's really the reason why you should be right.
What? Ian. Where's bro? Ian, are you there?
She's definitely busy. Now he's there.
Ian,
You good?
wait a minute. Wait. Wait, hold on. Are you at my woodland mansion, Pian?
Huh?
Pian, I said, are you at my woodland mansion? I mean, Pian, I didn't loot it, okay? I didn't loot it so you can loot that thing. Just loot it. Eh, what do you mean?
What?
I heard that. I-break yun na lahat. Marcelo. Look at Marcelo.
How to...
How to...
Sarang yan, nasa parang sarang yan na. Graveyard Dota. Actor.
How to... Do you see? Yeah.
Sabi kayo dudubot sa yung ate ko.
Ha? What?
Ate ko, kayo dudubot.
Ha?
Wala.
Ah. Yep, I'm making a treehouse
Yan.
two times better than me. but damn.
Oh, bakit?
You what?
Bruh, I just hit fire.
Huh?
You know what? Never mind.
Okay. Wait, what about a minute?
Bilang pagpupugay sa karera ng patigang aktor na si Roy Windsor, ipinuluto ko sila ng anak niya si Anton. Dumako muna tayo sa
Anton! Anton!
Makati sa atin ni ATM squad member Almendras. Baboy naman ang nakakatapang kamayan. Kanilang tapang kusan, magluluto rin tayo ni Nix ng isang pasta dish na very nostalgic daw.
Fiat?
Yeah.
Ah, yeah, yeah. Ah, yeah.
So filling. So good. Energen, 50% more cereals.
Yung pa ko ng Korean, yung Korean barbecue ko sana. Taste Korea with the new KFC KBBQ.
Anong gusto kong kumain pa ng iba? Gusto ko kang lumumuna.
Gives warm lasting relief that lasts up to 8 hours. For pain that massage alone can't relieve.
Okay, guys. I'm making my treehouse since I'm bored. I got nothing to do. I'm gonna build this, and I'm going to like hold on. Transfer. Oh.
San Miguel Bay Basic.
Oh.
Ang programang ito
Okay.
ay SPG.
Ow.
Striktong patnubay
Ow.
at
Sorry,
gabay
bye-bye.
ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring may masasirang tema, lengguwahe, karahasan, sexual, horror o droga na hindi angkop sa mga bata.
Call a doctor.
Here will come a soldier that carries a mighty sword. So then, and it's sitting down. Ole, ola, your lord. Did someone... Ay, ito ni may mention dyan. Okay. Jesus.
Jesus Christ.
Sila! Umalis na kayo!
Been a long time. Ready? Blow, 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 blow.
Grass.
Okay, bro. Do not judge me because of my build, bro. Okay, man. Do not judge me with my build, okay, chat? Okay. Let's just see the process, what I'm cooking.
What? No. And then,
I'm just...
nalag ko lang yung 50 ko dun sa desktop. Bumili ako ng... Stop, inuha pa yung barya dito na ginagawa dito eh. Sa'yo ba yun? Ba't ka kasi naglalagay ka naman ng sa kwarto mo?
Sigurado, pagkakausap kayo sa dito, lalambot din ang puso nun. At magkakaunawaan kayo magkapatid.
Wala ka na kasi sinabi na magpapakit. Ang panahon natin.
Oh, Jesus.
Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ.
malinaw yung walang utak niya.
Wala ba yung ate mo? Tapos uuwi pala siya na nalaman niya bigla kong ano, na binila niyang barya ng Yosi.
He's broke, right?
Sobrang mahal ni Michael.
Ganaw na? Kung ano na, Diyos ka. Magkakasawa ka ba?
Damn, no way. Well, they did touch the do we have a mine shaft near us or something?
Meow. Anong meow? Meow meow. Ano nga nito sa akin? Putang. Ano ba?
Ah, damn it, bro. You know what? Hold on.
Ang nag-usapan. Daw, lagi kita. Sige lang, meron pa naman ako dito. Anong meron pa dito? Sabi ko na nga ba, sorry yung araw ko hinahanap ko, sorry yung
Nagdidinig ka?
talaga naman narinig ko, sorry yung
Di ba yung pansit kantong doon? Ha? Oo.
Naglalamay mo ko. Somyuks nga.
Kaya sa rin mo binihay din.
Mas na.
Sino kumain?
Nagkatay sa yung awas, punta ng pasta. Tapos sinagya pa ng konti. Meron gano'n namin. Marami na pinadalag yan.
Hindi ako nakatingin sa kulit na nakalimutan ko.
Tapos,
Tapos sinabi mo, tapos
Ang
sinadalag.
kainin kumain.
Tapos sinadalag sa tanto.
Oo, ito kumain ganun na karami. Ayaw kumain.
Siguro sige.
Ha?
Okay.
Hindi kumain si Chris.
Sige, sige.
Ano, yung ano lang, yung lumpia ba? Lumpia na kinain namin.
Sa kumain.
Hindi. Walang kumain.
Gamot sa ubo. Yung
Ito, pinangyan. Kumain sa kaunti. Sabi ko, gusto mo pa, ayaw mo na raw. Ako naman nakalimutan kasi lumpia inulang. Kaya kumamaya ko yung meriendahin.
Wait a minute. You don't have a mine cart on us?
Natikman ko.
Yeah, mine cart.
Bigyan na ako mo ha.
Akala ko kumain na lahat ang tamis nila.
Wala, hindi pa kami kumain.
Mono lang, tinukot ko lang ganun ng plato.
Ang lakas mo na kumain mo.
Kailan ako, service?
Kasi ay hindi kumain.
Okay. You know what I'm gonna grab?
Ganun lang oh. Kasi si Julian hindi kumain. Kinain lang namin lumpia. Kasi natigman ko na una parang ang alak.
Oh?
Alak.
Eh,
Kaya nag-back out ako sa alak.
you know what? Excuse me, mother. I shall approach you and I shall confess you with iron because I'm gonna need iron. I'm gonna confess to your chest and destroy all your. Give me minecart. Ah, never mind. Let's go. Wait, hold on. Leah, take a picture of me. Leah. Dia. Dia. Fish. A fish. Dia. Dia. You know what? Never mind. Yep. Oh, okay. Rejoining. Ian, are you there?
Roger, makadali.
I have a minecart. And you don't.
Kaya siya maging surrogate mother natin. Dahil hindi niyo alam kung anong klaseng ugali
Here.
ng isa. Hindi niya alam kung paano maging ina.
Oh! Jesus. That have been long time since I am from Holland. Yep, Dia left. And Ian is not talking, I guess. Oh, welcome back. Hello? Ah, never mind. Bro still lagging, okay. Got it. Yep. Ah, hold on, let me just... Oh. Sakit. Nakakakit ko lang sa puso, bago.
La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
My mom wants to play ML.
Huh?
My mom wants to play ML, so I'm just gonna rejoin later.
Oh. Okay.
Such a long time.
I have a roller coaster. Oh, it's so... Hold on. Let's go.
Violent District. Bro, Marcus, we play Violent District.
Oh, yeah.
Bro, I'm so obsessed with the game. I'm gonna join him. But why not? You know, it's been such a long time.
Oh, activator. Ah, activator. Okay. Activator. Okay. Oh no, come back. Bro, what? Activator. I don't. Okay, so that's. Okay, how much rail cost?
Like, who's calling me bakla? Like,
Who?
namin siguro mga tot. Well, ano, kalma na.
You know what? I'm gonna take something from you. I'm approaching with. I'm going to abduct some ores. Yeah. Activator. Stick.
What is Zan? Zan is here.
Who?
Zan.
Who's Zan?
Wait. Zan, is it? Zan, my friend, bro. The friend will show you one.
Oh, who?
Bruh. Just someone from volleyball.
Okay. That's the only thing I can understand for volleyball. Volleyball. Okay, who has redstone? Does anyone have redstone?
Me?
Or that?
Check through my, Hey! So this is gonna be fun. I'm gonna be fun.
Ooh, okay.
Hell no. What is it? You're so damn.
Yo no namase. Eh.
Yokai.
Yok.
Suzuki.
Suzuki.
Yeah.
Oh my
Lame.
god. I have
White.
one stack. I can make a roller coaster out of this. Let's go.
Taking that breath. Zani.
Yeah. Right. Okay. I think
Yung dalawa ni Heidi kanina, no?
Oh?
Natulog kayo.
Oo.
Lakas mag-dinig. Nadinig din. Bakit natulog ni si Heidi?
Ha?
Uyat din?
Yung tulong.
Oh my God.
Hindi ko makatulugan ni
What did
No,
it?
one time Sunday.
Ha?
One time Sunday. We ended up
Already?
with it. One time Sunday. Who? One time Mars? Yeah.
Teka lang.
Yeah, that's not a problem. That's not definitely not a problem. Hold on. Ooh, yeah. Oh my god.
Ay, nakarin kita na niyo!
Look! David! Ah. I like it's killing me.
Putang ina mo, Ligor ka, pinatay mo yung sarili mong anak.
Ha?
Ligor, pinatay niya yung sarili niya anak.
You know, it's been such a
Grabe.
long time. Living on my own.
You know what? Hold on. I'm gonna do something oblivious. Nabati ko ngayon ang mga bakla. house will be.
Alam mo, hindi mo kailangan ngayon ng isang Amerikanong may mahina.
Buwan na to.
Ayaw ko sa isang Amerikanong matalino.
Oh my God!
Hold on, my brain is not braining for this installment.
Uy. Hindi sumali yung ginawa niya sa parang. Ano? Hello? Sabi na nga sabi. Isip pa po kasi. Nalala ko niya po. My God! Sila, siya kasi putra. Ipawal mo kasi yun na. Mag-isaw siya matita sila. Kasi wak na marwat. Kasi nagpapamuka sa display. Wow! You made it? Oh my God. Tukot siya, what? Adaw?
Yeah, let's go. We built the super mega ukulele. I mean, super mega timpani. Okay. Okay, guys, thank you for watching and thank you for being entertained. Yeah. Yeah, bro. Thank